Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to share you information on the schedule and time off settings. For that, come up to the side menu, click on settings and under schedule and time off, click shift alerts. This page and this settings control who receives the alert about the reminder. You can see that we have a role as a management and as a user. If you are doing settings where you are selecting both, means the notification as a mail can be received by both of the manager and our user. If you are selecting just the management, means the notification of the shifts are just going to be delivered to the management. If it's user, then it is just going to be the user who is going to receive the notification via the email. And none means nobody is going to receive any of the notification about the same. You can do the global settings from here and the individual settings can be done from here. Against each member name, you can just toggle between the settings here and you can click and have this enabled for the specific member. The reflection of this setting is going to show you on the schedule where you have made the schedule and then you have made a shift of that user, and you can also view that the user is late or it's on time in the attendance screen. This helps you to stay punctual and informed with these shift alerts and receive the timely notification about the upcoming shift and ensuring the smooth and scheduling way. This is all about the shift alerts. Thank you.